So today's the day. I've got my RTA mock system and Coyote appliances, and they did tell me it was only going to take.
Let's go. Oh, I need my washing. It's okay. I need instrumentals, baby. I need the instrumentals, baby. What's happening, family? What's happening? We got beautiful people in here right now. What's happening? To be honest, guys, I'm literally retaking Alex's 74, like literally right now. This is Alex's trade from yesterday. It's still on the same little slingshot. It's still hitting the same little buy area. So I'm right back in. I just got clipped out. So I'm like right back in with a small lot size. For everybody who want to take that 74. You put a 74, 71, it went 110 pips last night to here. So I'm pretty sure she can kind of like mimic that same thing and do the same thing. Yeah, and then we're gonna start teaching. We're gonna start teaching. There she goes. Now what we want to see is this thing really just start pulling up from right here and come up to the EMA 9. You want to see her come up here, come up to the EMA 9, then you make a decision from here, to be honest with you. You make a decision to here. That's a 30 pip zone from here to here. If you just want to take your 30 pips early in the morning, get you some market money. And then she can just literally blast off. If she pass here, retest here, and keep on going up. That's how you monitor. It's just a really good consistent area. You have already 3 areas. And there she goes. There she blows. There she blows. Abuela, flor de la sabana, con tus manos tejiste esperanza. There's your push. There's your push. There's your push. Lleno de historias contadas, entre cuentos, canciones y rezos, nos enseñaste el valor de la. Tap that screen. How y'all doing? Make sure you come in here, show some love on the live. Show some love on the live. How you doing? How your mama doing? How your daddy doing? I see everybody in the chat. I see everybody in the chat. What's happening? I gotta look at the chat today from my old phone. I gotta look at the chat today from my old phone because I already got everything packed up. So let me tell you guys what happened yesterday. So I was supposed to be in Orlando right now, and then I finally literally was getting ready to go to the airport, and then my son called me, and he was like, yo, Pop, did you change your ticket? And I was like, what do you mean change my ticket? No, I didn't change my ticket. He's like, well, you know your ticket say tomorrow. By the way, today is my mother's birthday. God bless my mom. God bless my mom. God bless my mom. Beautiful. So I need to call her today. Talk to her. Send her some gifts. Send her some gifts. So who took that trade? Put some 8s in the chat if you took that trade with me. Put some 8s in the chat if you took that trade with me. Because that trade is up right now. I lost like 200 yesterday, last night, and I got like 100 of it back. And then now we're working on that thing. We're working on that thing. So now I got, to be honest with you guys, I went ahead and literally just put my stop loss at like break even because I'm not trying to lose nothing, to be honest with you. So if it comes and clips me, it comes and clips me, and then we find more money. But I'm not trying to lose anything from this area, to be honest with you. So if she pushes out of there, she pushes out of there. If not, she can come back and get me. She acting like she want to come back and get me. This is also a lesson why you don't put your stop loss in profit or break even like hella fast. Because the market is like immediately looks at liquidity. Like as soon as you put your stop loss, it's like, oh shit. It's like a fat girl with cake, you know? It's literally like a fat girl with cake, you know? So yeah, I'm not even gonna mess around. So she literally probably gonna clip me out like right now. I'm up like $1.80. Yeah, she just clipped me out, and we're gonna go right back. We're gonna go right back. We're right back in there. No stop loss. Same entry. Until she breaks this area. If she breaks this area, then we jump out. If not, we're going to keep scalping her. Scalp her up, scalp her up. What's happening, Robbie? What's happening? Was late to the trade, but we'll take it, but only if we go back down to the 74. Well. Let me switch it to this one. Let me switch the game up real quick. Let's go. Back up. There we go. There we go. We up. We back up again. That's why you don't want to be scared. You want to be scared to like get clipped out. So I didn't take a nail. I didn't go into a drawdown. I just got clipped out. And then I'm like, okay, we're just jumping right back in. And to be honest, I got back in at a better price. I was in the beginning. I thought I had a 374, but I had a low 375 because of the spread. And now I got a 374. You see, I got that 374.681. You see, and it's up $12 right now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. And eventually, it's going to find enough buyers, and it's going to blast past this area, probably while we're in class. And if we get a 78 or 79 close, yo, let me tell you, if we get a close like over in here, it's just going to retest this area. Let me show you. Let me get this guy out of here. Let me show you how I project the market. If it comes up like this, it's going to come back down right here, retest that same area, and then go towards this area right here. If it doesn't get past this area right here, she'll come like right up in here, and then she's gonna bankhead bounce to the sell zone. I like that sell zone, and it should come right up out of there. Right up out of there. Bang. Just like that. So you should have a 74 entry down here or a 75. This could easily be the bottom of the W. It started forming already and came back and made a triple bottom. Now she should go. She just got to get past this little slingshot, this little, like I said, she's stuck between the EMA 9 and the EMA 200 on the 15. This is why she keeps going like back and forth. So we get up out of this little area right here, which just takes buyers, which you have on all sides. You see, you have on all sides. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's push, baby. She's at 77. She's at 77. Let's go. She's at 77. Look at that push. Who making money right now? Put some fire in the chat if you making money with your boy. Tap that screen on TikTok if you making money with your boy. You figured out how to press the button when you get on my live? What's up? What's happening? CICS sticks. 6 sticks? Is that how you call it? What's your thoughts on XRP? What do you mean? What's my thoughts on it? It is the next generational coin. It is where it's at. So I have, I think maybe 3,000 XRPs right now. Yeah. What's up, Patricia? How are you? Oh, you missed it? Oh, come on. Making bread. You're supposed to be getting bread right now. Getting bread versus making bread. Yeah, so like I said, she's just stuck in this little area right here. So she could consolidate in here or she could just blow up out of here. Either way it goes, we're not taking any L's. We're just literally gonna keep taking it until she just closes outside this area, you know? Oh shit, TikTok, let me show you. Let me show you YouTube. What's up, YouTube? She's gonna have to leave this area. That's it. It's literally just that simple. It's just that simple. Let her do her thing. Just let her do her thing. And I got small money on her too. Last night I was hitting her big. I was in her heavy. When I gave the zone last night and then Alice confirmed right at the same time and she dropped a little bit. Oh man, I went in on that bitch heavy. I had like 0.5 zeros in her. I had 0.5 zeros in her, y'all. Let's go. Let's go. Watch her push. Watch her push and be grateful and be thankful. Watch her push. How you guys requested, I will start one more time from 5,000. My guy. There she goes. There's that push off. There's that push off. There's that push off, family. There's that push off. I'm with the smokes. I'm with the smokes. To be honest with you. I'm with the smokes. Stop losses break even. Up 30 pips. I'm really the FAFO. Fuck around and find out right now. I'm willing to fuck around and find out. Either you're gonna clip me or we're gonna just blast off. One of the two. I'm cool with either or. To be honest with you. Not even stressing. And then we're gonna go find some money in the other pair. Cause I don't think we marked up US 30 yesterday. So y'all keep an eye on gold. Make sure she goes to 378. You know what I'm saying? 378, 379. If we start seeing that in the watch list, it's on and popping. US 30 is ugly. Let me tell y'all. I told y'all yesterday. Remember I told y'all yesterday? I said, listen, days like today, days like yesterday, I don't even trade. And this is why. Look, whoever traded yesterday had a rough ass trading day. I guarantee you. You had a rough ass trading day. Tap that screen, put some fire in the chat if you had a rough ass trading day yesterday. I'm telling you. You were up, you were down, you lost, you got it back, and then you broke even. It was because the market was moving sideways. It was like going up and down, up and down. It wasn't breaking outside those channels. And if you're trading in those channels, you have to have like the binary mindset. And if you don't have the binary mindset, you're going to literally just be holding when you should be selling. You should be buying when you should be buying when you're selling. You should be selling when you buying. Like, that's the state that you are in. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. So yeah, US 30 is still ugly. I go to the daily, look at this. I go to the daily, horrible. Look at that daily candle. Look at that daily candle. Look at this, just look at this. That's a horrible daily candle. I would literally have to put the lines so far apart to just find structure. The zone would be damn near like 3,000 some pips apart. It's like, bro, who the fuck waiting on 3,000 pips on a day trade? You see what I'm saying? The news will have to give me this. Like, this is how far I would have to put the zones apart to get to the full hours and find gaps. So you have a gap at the bottom and a gap at the top. I believe we'll come up and it'll maybe give us an M. You see? It'll come and maybe give us an M. This is what I will project. Is that 760? 45,760. Let's go 740. There's our parameters for the sell. We're gonna do the same for the buy. You're gonna go in at 45,000, we'll say 14, 45,000, let's go, 134. There it is. There's y'all zones on US 30. There's y'all zones on US 30. Gold acting like he wants to come and clip us out, but I think we're going to get that rejection. We're going to get that rejection at 76. We should get the rejection at 76. We should get this rejection at 76. Yeah, I believe we get our rejection. See how she's fighting this little area right here? So she has to constantly come back and forth in this channel. So I believe she should push up out of here. She's trying to fetch this 200 because that's kind of like where that's where her bounce is at. And that magnet is like sucking it down and trying to pull it back up, you know? Like this is the area, this little. So once she gets the buyers, enough buyers in there, she's gonna make that bounce out of there. I think she's about to clip me though. She's trying, she's like sniffing my stop loss. My stop loss is literally like right here, y'all. That's my stop loss right now. I have it like a penny over, so I just don't break even or literally take the loss because of the commissions and things like that. But that's NASDAQ. I mean, that's US 30 we got. Let's go to see NASDAQ. Let's go see NASDAQ. I don't like them. Yeah, I don't like it. You can easily buy NASDAQ. This is the daily trend. I think tech sector should go up. I think tech sector should go up. Don't clip me out. I'm like $3 in profits right now. I'm like $3 in profit. So I'm just like, I believe she'll yank back up. I believe she'll yank back up. Yeah, I believe she'll yank back up. I think she's just trying to sniff it. She's just trying to sniff it. She can sniff it all she wants. She can sniff it all she wants. US 30, NASDAQ. Look at these candles. Yeah, you can't even, look at that. That's ugly. You can't project from there. You can't project from this. There will be no gaps here. So no NASDAQ today. Yeah, it just clipped me out. It just clipped me out. It just clipped me out. NASDAQ, US oil, US 30. I'm telling you, the market is on some bullshit. What Bitcoin at? Bitcoin at 111. Bitcoin hit like 108, 109 yesterday. It started flying. But everything is kind of like at that little steady point where it wants to blast off. You know, everything wants to blast off right now. And in order for it to blast off, it really needs to kind of like get some buyers into play. Get some buyers in action. But the spreads are horrible right now, to be honest with you guys. The spreads are freaking horrible right now. The spreads are horrible in the market. Like, if the market is sitting right now, say, like gold right now is sitting at a 74. If you were the buyer right now, it's giving you like a 75.3 entry, like way out of margin. Like, you're already starting. If you're in, say, with a 0.10, you're going to start off negative $6, $7. Like, that's the market right now. Because she's trying to break this area right here, gold, on those higher time frames. You see, so let's go mark her up. See where the hell she going. Look at that. Yeah, she trying to come to the at least 362. That's what it looks like, but she has to break into this area. These are the previous daily highs. So she broke out, retested these areas, so she needs to push out of these areas. That's why I like this 74 range. You see, that's why I like it. That's why I like it. Because she would have to break in all of this area right here, you see. Let me put a line so y'all can understand what I mean. She would have to break into all of this. She's like right here. That's a solid trend, you see. That's a solid trend. And that's a daily trend. That's a daily trend. Boom. She could easily come right here or reject from here. This is a solid rejection area, to be honest with you. So I believe she'll fly. I believe she'll pull up from here. If not, she's gonna pull up from right here, like one of the two. But let's mark her up. Let's mark her up. We're gonna take that. Wow, I got a long flight today. I'm excited to get some sleep on it. Top of the sunrise. Apologies. Oh, it's all gravy. These Flag you gave us on US 30 was valid as fuck yesterday, though. Oh yeah, bro. The flag patterns are amazing. Like, and that's why I think it's highly important to start understanding like what the market is showing you, and then when you can correlate that with education, it's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. Remember that? What I told y'all? I said, yo, that's a flag. If she pushes out of there, she's going up. And this is exactly what she did yesterday. I gave you guys this pattern yesterday right here. I said she's right here, just like this. She breaks on the outside, boom, she's out. Like that. Right here. I swear. Something that got stuck on my computer. If somebody can text me after I get off the live what I need to do versus when I'm on the live and confusing me. You know what I'm saying? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Yeah. I believe gold is gonna sit kind of like right up in here. Let me see what we got on news. Let's see what we got for news today. Today's the 27th, August 27th. We got no news today. All yellow folders. All yellow folders. We got some news, red folders tomorrow. So the market should literally probably settle down and not really do anything today, to be honest with you, because of all of the rapid movement it had during the week. So we probably won't get a lot of movement on anything. The indices, like I said, the indices, they're literally red. They're consolidating. NASDAQ consolidating, you see? It's red. Gold red. Like everything is red right now because it's ready to move because of this movement right here. You see that movement consolidated the market. It bounced down again and boom, pulled back up to here. So now she's dropping from 33.93. So that's a lot of selling pressure. She got 200 some plus pips of selling pressure from right here to here. So that means we're trying to catch the rejection from here. So it just needs to just kind of like bounce. But if it breaks the 74 and gets into like the 73, you just take the L. Just take the L. It's a small zone. It's like a 74, 72 zone, you know. So it could come down here. Then you have to enter in again and then go back up, you know. But like I said, we're taking no L's this morning. We're taking 0 L's this morning. 0 L's. 0 L's. That's for sure. So yeah, to be honest with you, you have the 33.93 and you have you have a buy zone right here at the, if you want to go that low with it, I'll give it a 48. Yeah, we can do a 48.51. We can do a 48.51 buy. If it comes all the way down here, I doubt it comes all the way down there, but that's the zone. That's the zone. You need news to get that zone. And then you want to go 93.90. This is where she's stuck in the slingshot right now. This is where she's stuck in that slingshot and needs to get on up out of there. Once she gets up out of there, she's Audi 5000 G. She will be Audi 5000. My new entry, right here. I just closed my aggressive entry. My new entry is right here. I had an entry at the right here that I literally just got clipped out of. So that's what I was looking like. And I literally just closed that. So if you're trading and you understand that, you understand positions, like the market likes to literally give you a better position, but you gotta understand the risk of it. So when you understand where the market is going, where the market has been, and things like that, and where it's at, you don't mind taking the risk. So when people say, bro, why you keep jumping in right here? I'm like, bro, it's a solid ass area. It's a solid ass area, and it keeps refusing to break it. So if it does not break it, I'm gonna consistently keep taking, because the minute you don't take it, it takes off. Put some 8s in the chat if you experience that shit. Put some 8s in the chat if you experience that shit. Let's go. Put some 8s in the chat if you experience that shit. Check that out. You see, she keeps fighting right here. And as long as she's fighting right here, yo, it's worth it. Just every time I get clipped out, I don't go back in with a bigger lot size. I go back in with a smaller lot size. I started hitting this thing with a 0.40. It pulled up here. I took that money. Then it pulled back. Actually, I took most of the money, and then it came back and clipped me out. And I got back in. Then it pulled up another $15, $16. Here it is. I'm up another $12 right now, you see? So it's just a matter of this thing just pulling all the way up and then going to where she wants to go. You start looking at the 30 minutes, she got room to go. You see? She got room to come at least to 77, 78 again. And you can look at this area right here. It's a solid area. It's a solid area. So I'm going, yo, she would have to break up under here for me to go, you know what? Next time she come into this area, just short her back down. But she's trying to get up out of there. She's trying to get up out of there. She's trying to get there. She's trying to get there. We're gonna see what she's gonna do. Like I said, but we're not taking no L's. We're not taking any L's. So I love it. We're not taking any L's before the flight. We're not taking no L's. We got tight stop losses, solid entries, and all we have to do is allow the market to play itself out. You know what I'm saying? So imagine I'm here, and this is what my trade looks like. Just like that. That's my stop loss right there. That's the stop loss. TikTok just for you guys to see it. It looks just like that. My entry. She looks like she's gonna come smell my stop loss right now. You see, I got my stop loss. Let me show you. Yeah, she's gonna come clip me. She's gonna come clip me. You can see it right here. She's trying to come clip me. I got that thing at like a penny. Look at how she fights. She can't even sniff that joint. She can't even sniff that joint. Look at that shit. She can't even sniff that joint, TikTok. Yo, she came and sniffed that stop loss and said, I think I smell marijuana. It's you. I think I smell marijuana. It's you. But you just gotta be patient and let her go. And I'm telling you, here in the next like 15 minutes, in the next like 10, 12 minutes, if she closes, like I said, up here, she's gonna start climbing up. She's gonna start climbing up, that's for sure. But she just gotta get out of this little 74, 76 area. This 20 pip range right up in here, she needs to close it out of the 77, 78. If not, she's gonna hover right here all day. Clip you in, clip you out, clip you in, clip you out, clip you in, clip you out. Like that. And the zone is 74.71. So imagine I have literally all the way to here if I want to play it. Like I can take this whole zone, to be honest with you, because it's 30 pips. You see, this is where buyers are really at, right over here. So it can easily come drop to this 71 and then pull right back up to the 74, 75 area. Either or, I have stop loss at literally right above profits. So it doesn't matter, but this is why you do it. So when you look at the market at a bigger base, you can see this is where it last consolidated for a very long time. This is consolidation for a long time. You see? Right here. So now it's right here, which is on right at the top of that. So it's like, boom, if I drag this over, look, you see? So now it has entered in the top half of that consolidation area. That's why she keeps bankhead bouncing, but then that's why she also keeps selling from here, because she needs to break up out of there. And once she breaks up out of there, she's gone. She's gone, I'm telling you. She's gone. If she breaks down here, she's gone. It's literally just that simple. It's just that simple. So that 75, 74, 73 area is a area where if she closes under, you short her. If she closes above, my baby girl slept with me last night. And my mama slept in their room. I said my mama, they mama slept in their room. I think one just fell out of bed. Brother question, how do you manage lot size on a stop loss like yesterday plus re-entry like aggressive and modest, lose together 90 pips, but when we do next trade, get back 60? No, you have to understand your risk, bro. You have to understand what you're willing to risk and what you're willing to gain. And once you start losing in that percentage, bro, you have to just call it a day. You just have to literally call it a day. You literally have to call it a day, Alejandro. That's for sure. Do you get back the loss and the others trades correct? So I just keep moving forward because I know no matter what, this is not my only day trading. I'm considered a day trader. I'm considered trading every day. So if I just take, like yesterday, I ended I was up 175 on just small ass trades. And then last night I blew literally 200. I just got clipped out on that little move right there. So now I drop my lot size and I take it again. Just that simple. I drop my lot size and I take her again. And here she goes. Here she comes. Just to show you, I'm gonna move this guy now. Right here. Yeah, but that's how you do it, Alejandro. Remember when a bum told you to quit smoking? Divine intervention. Now, why you got to bring that up, Robbie? I got a joint rolled up right here. Why you acting like that? Why you acting like that? So look at her. You see? Look at her now. Look at her now. Look at her now. Look at her now. Look at where she at now. Bye out. Look at where she at right now. See how she breaking the area now? You see how she trying to break that area right now? So if she doesn't pull up from here, man, you just call it quits. You call it quits. But she got to break that area. She has to close under here. She has to close under there. You know? She has to close under there. Watch her. Watch her. Watch her pull back out. Gave me a better price entry. Gave a better price entry. She has 6 minutes to pull up out of there. Like that. And then she pulls right back into this range. Guess what we do? We put our stop loss right back here. And then we just see if she takes, continually taking off. It's literally just that simple. Here she comes. Here she comes. Here she comes. Just walking down the street. Singing do-a-dee-dee-dee-dum, dee-dee-dee. Look at that pull up. Look at that pull up. We at the bottom of that thing too. Look at that. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Come on now. Show me love. Show me love. We green. We green. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Like I said, as long as she in this range, I'm not scared at all. I'm not scared at all. Come and clip me. We're running right back in here. We're running right back on ya. And she got 5 minutes to get up out of there. It's just that simple. There she goes. Bye y'all. There she goes. I'm telling y'all. It's literally like a no-brainer. It's like a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. Look at that. Bye y'all. Look at that. We're like up. We're like up. Who hitting this shit with me? Y'all, boy, am I tripping? Am I tripping? Come on now. I'm showing you how to get right back in, and literally you can scalp, take your money because you're coming back down. Scalp, take your money, come on back down. I told you, the range is between 74 and 77. That's where she's at. Why? Because the market is consolidating. Let me turn my camera around. The market is consolidating. So if you're gonna be trading in a messy ass market, don't be trying to hold trades. Like, grab them, get your money, let them go. Grab them, get your money, let them go. Because I've already been scalping since last night, I'm trying to get a pull out. I want to see a nice little pull out because she's proven to stay in this little area. So when I get up like 20 pips, 30 pips, I'm like, bro, there she goes. Look, let's go. Put some fire in the chat. Let's go. Stop loss literally getting ready to go to break even again on the ass. But all it needs to do is pull on up. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Remember how I came and tried to sniff me? It sniffed me and clipped me out. We back in there. You see what I'm saying? You just get on right back on in there. And then she pulled right back down because this is the range that she's doing. So you need to know how to take your money between 76, 77, or hold her out. Don't be scared. Scared money don't make money, people. Scared money don't make money. I'm telling y'all straight. Scared money don't make money. And now we're gonna just watch her pull out. We got 20 minutes left in class. If you guys got any questions, feel free to ask. Tap that screen over at TikTok. I see you ain't showing me no love. Maybe you don't understand what I'm showing y'all. Maybe you just don't understand what I'm showing you. Closed out my other position, got the better buy. Now you guys gonna understand what you're learning today is how to gain a better position in the market. Like I started off with the high 75, made money from that, got clipped out in profits, took a 74, took partials from that, got broke. And imagine every time I'm getting clipped out, I'm already taking partials. So I'm not like putting stop loss break even and not taking partials. Like stop loss break even, take some money. Stop loss break even, take some money. Take some money, stop loss break even. Like understand this transition. Like this is the transition. Like anytime I'm putting stop loss at break even, I'm already projecting that it's going to get clipped, and I don't mind it getting clipped. Don't mind at all. What I'm going to do is take partials, move stop loss break even. Take partials, move stop loss break even. This is 100%. This is 100% sauce. So we got 2 minutes to see if we close above that 75, above that 200. If we close above that 200, right over in here, right there. If we close above this 200 here in the next minute and 44 seconds, we're gonna have a go. We're gonna have a go. So we're gonna watch her pull up. We got some good music on the backside. Look at that pool. Go ahead and give me that 76. Go ahead and give me that 76, baby. We not scared. We not scared. Give me that nice wig, that nice hammer. You get over here to the hour, see what you're dealing with. You're still dealing with this little candle right here. You know what I'm saying? A little long-legged doji. This is a long-legged doji that we're caught the bottom of. You understand that? Do you understand that? We caught the bottom of this little guy. We caught the bottom of this little guy. And now she just needs to work her way up. Look at this. Look at this action right here. It just needs to work its way out of this little action. That's it. Look at that lollipop. Look at that lollipop. Lollipop. Let me make sure I'm answering anybody's question. Do you use support and resistance? Hit up. That's what these lines are, baby. That's my roof. That's my floor. Trap the day, trap the, and then finally the gaps on the 4 hour. That's the sauce, baby. That's the sauce. Sauce Walker. Sauce Walker. Ooh-wee! What y'all know about that Sauce Walker? Let's go, baby. Pull up. I need that thing to pull up. We need her to pull up. Last second, she closed right up under there. She closed right up under the 200. She closed right up under the 200. Let's see if she pulled through. Let's see if she pulls through. She closed with a hammer candle. So everybody knows how to trade the hammer, right? You know how to trade the hammer, right? Put some ones in the chat if you know how to trade the hammer. Put a 2 in the chat if you have no clue how to trade the hammer. Yeah, baby. We're not gonna let you. We're not gonna let you. Look at this. 2 long-legged dojis back to back. Back to back. I want to see what this next little candle gonna do before we get up out of here. I want to see what this candle gonna do before we get up out of here. I need to get ready to go to the gym. Oh, look at the blast off. Give me love. Give me love. Give me love. I hope everybody took these trades with me today, because the market ain't really moving. The market ain't really doing anything. And like I was telling you guys, one thing you guys are going to learn about me, there's always money in the market. And when there's always money in the market, I see your 2, Blue Crab 808. I see your 2, and I'm going to explain you, because I think your 2 was not knowing how to trade on the hammer candle. So I got you. Is that was the question? Are you in a buy? Yes, I'm in a buy. I'm in a buy from 74. From 74. 74. Last night I took that 74 and I took it all the way to, I want to say 84. I took like 100 pips off of it last night. Small lot size. So it got me where I wanted to be. It got me where I wanted to be. So to trade a hammer candle will appear at the bottom of a downtrend. Let me show you. Blue Crab, this is for you. My boy Blue, this is for you. Get out of here. I don't know why my shit is stuck like this, but it is what it is. Look at this. This is the bottom of a downtrend. Hammers appear right here. You got them literally right here too. Look at this hammer. You have a hammer right there. How do you trade a hammer candle? When the market is proceeding in the downtrend, the hammer candle appears, confirming that the market is no longer in a selling momentum, meaning sellers are losing momentum and buyers are literally coming into play. This is what that means. And you only can confirm buyers are coming into the play when the next candle opens up and closes above the previous hammer. Once that candle closes above the hammer, the third candle opens up, pushes down, you open long position and ride her up. And look at that 76. She showed her face. She showed her face. Look at that. She showed her face. Look at that TikTok. I told y'all it came and sniffed me. It came and sniffed me. And we're taking $15, $17, $20 a pop. We're taking $17, $15, $20 a pop. Now my stop loss is break even. It almost got hit and it didn't get hit. So imagine if it blasts through and gives us a 77, 78, 79 right now because of the 30 minutes. The 30 minutes clarity is here. Look, let me show you. Let me take the green line. Come on, get your ass out of there. Look at this, watch this. If it just come right here, this is above the EMA 9 on the 15 minutes. Look, right there, you see? Right there. It needs to clear this area. We down here. This candle closes above that candle. That's a hammer at the bottom of a downtrend. This will literally proceed to be confirmation that buyers are in play. Boom. There you go. Trading, how to interpret the hammer. Look at this. What did I tell you? Sellers push the price down early in the trading period. Bears have control. Look at that. Bears have control and push the price significantly lower. Ew. Buyers regain control. Bullish traders then step in, drive the price back up, pushing it near the opening price, which makes it leave the hammer. It gives you this pull up right there. Watch this. How to trade it. Confirmation and trading strategy. For a high probability trade, you should look for the following confirmation. Bullish follow through. The next candle after the hammer is a strong bullish candle reinforcing the reversal signal. Higher volume confirmation is stronger if it occurs on higher trading volume. Alignment with support. The hammer is more potent signal when it forms at the known support level. What did I tell you? Here. Boom. Let's go. Let's get educated. Let's get educated. Risk management. A common strategy is to place a stop loss order below the low of the hammer to minimize potential loss of if the reversal fails. You understand that? You understand that? She's at 77, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. She gives me a 78, 79 right now. Sheesh. Sheesh. I'm telling y'all. And I got 10 cents. That's 10 cents. Look at that. That's 10 cents. We with the smoke. Look at her. She gone. She out of there. Y'all better stop playing with me, gang. Y'all better stop playing with me, gang. Y'all better stop playing with me. I'm telling y'all, stop playing with me. Gang, gang. Stop playing. Stop playing with me. Let's go. I don't know where the hell TikTok just went to. But partial close, 50%. We just took partials. We got stop loss break even. And we are Gucci. We are Gucci, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Come on now. We can ride this thing clean up out of here. We can ride this thing clean up out of here. All I needed to do is close right outside here. We got 8 minutes left in class, and we got 7 minutes on this candle. We are in a good place. Put some fire in the chat if you winning right now. Put some fire in the chat on YouTube if you winning. Let's go. So will you hold? Hell yeah, Jazzy. Yeah, baby. I've been scalping the motherfucker all morning. She break up out this zone. We holding that thing. She going back to the 90s. She's going back to the 90s. Because don't forget that 30. Look at the 30. She needs to get past the 30 EMA right here. She needs to get past this 30 EMA 9 right here. And then she's out of there. I'm telling y'all. She's out of there. That's why I kept hitting her. Imagine not hitting her here and then she blast off. And because you got clipped out here, you got clipped out here, you got clipped out here. No problem. Give me better position. Boom. Give me better position. No problem. Give me better position. No problem. Give me better position. Boom. I was in there right here, got clipped. In there right here, got clipped. In there right here, got clipped. In there down there, boom. Tried to clip me, came on back out of there like a champ. Like a champ. How long until the market opens? The market opens at literally 6:30 my time, so 8:30 on the East Coast. It's 4:53 Vegas time right now. It's 4:53 in the morning. I got this much energy. I'm gonna go hit the gym. I gotta go beat my back up. I was debating not to go to the gym today because every time I go to the gym and then I had those 5-hour flights, listen, that being 46, the body gets different. The body gets different. So I'm thinking of just doing some whole bunch of push-ups, some sit-ups, some planks right in my office right now and just see what it does and just go get me a flight, go work out real hard with my fellas tomorrow. I'll be with Jerry and them tomorrow These are the guys that I lift my heaviest with in Orlando, so I'm excited to see the fellas. But imagine they want to work out at 5 in the morning East Coast time, which is 2 in the morning my time. And I'm just like, bro, that's that extra 2 hours I be getting. That's that extra. What's your TP? I don't do TPs. I do journey. I do my journey. I do my money. I know how much money I'm trying to make today. I'm trying to make $250 before I get on the plane. I'm trying to make $250 before I get on the plane. And I got $120 to go, to be honest with you. I got $120 to go and $14 on the books right now. So we're gonna knock that thing out. We're gonna be scalping like a motherfucker in the airport. We're gonna be scalping like crazy in the airport. I believe we still get our push. I believe we still gonna get our push. Long as she's like 30 pips above your entry and she closes 30 pips above your entry, the next candle, if it opens up above like a 77, I'm telling y'all, she's gonna go 79, 80, and then she's gonna flirt in that area. If she closes under 77, the bitch might come back to the 74 and be like, fuck y'all. Y'all trying to ride me all morning, Mr. H. Get off of me. She might just do us like that. Real spill. Real spill. Real spill. We got 97 beautiful people watching. If it goes back down to 74, okay to get back in. If it doesn't break it, yes. You take the area until it breaks. I personally don't think she's going back down there because there's no news. So she dropped all night. She dropped all day yesterday after going up a little bit. I believe she flows back up because overall, when you go to your higher time frame, look. Like I told y'all, that's the pull up on the daily. Remember I told y'all, I showed y'all this from the get-go. I said, that's a pull up on the daily candle right there. So, I just want to see her close at 77, to be honest with you. I just want to see her close at 77, 78. And I'm going to move my stop loss even deeper in profits. For an example, just to show you TikTok before I get off of here, because like I said, we got stop loss right here. You see, that's my stop loss. Y'all see it? Let me show y'all. See, what I like about our platform is that you can move your stop loss right there. So I'll move my stop loss literally right here. And if she comes back and clips me on this big ass candle, who gives a fuck? Who gives a fuck? Who gives a fuck? It's a trade. It's a trade. But I just want to show y'all how cold the platform is, because the platform immediately allows you to literally put your stop loss at profits, put your stop loss at break even, just by scrolling up on it, you see? I want to get this closed above here. We got 2 minutes. We got 2 minutes left, and then we're gonna make it do what it does. We're gonna make it do what it does, beautiful people. Let's push. Let's push. Let's push. Come on now. Let's push. Let's push. And let me tell you, the music is on point now that we just switched it up a little bit. The music is on point. Give me some. Give me some. Hey, just curious. Thanks for all that you share. I appreciate you, Kayla. Kelly Kale, you see that big fat W? You know I see that big fat W on that 1 hour, baby girl. You know I see that W. You know I see that motherfucker right there, girl. If y'all don't understand what Kelly just said, if y'all don't see that W right here, I told you the market is full of what? M's and W's. Look at that double bottom. Boom, look at that double bottom. Look at that. I can ride that all day. I can ride that thing all day, to be honest with you. We got a minute left even on the 1 hour. We get a minute left on the 1 hour and she closes above this little line like that, that knows that I got it on the 15 for sure. And that shit ass go. Bankhead bouncing again off of it. Is that trade view Trading View or liquids? What you're watching on YouTube is liquid. I mean Trading View. What I showed you over here to the right side is liquid brokers. Get your ass back above that. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Let's see what she's gonna do. 30 seconds. Let's see what she's gonna do. Let's make it big. Let's see if she pushes up the last little 20 seconds. Because if not, she's gonna come back down on us. Right up in here. So like I said, we got stop loss at literally in profits. All we need, there it is. It's up under the EMA 9 on the 15. But she's gonna have to blast. She's gonna have to blast. She's gonna have to blast up. I'm not giving up on her. I'm not giving up on her, but she's proven to not break this area right now. And it's okay. The 77 area is a wall. I told y'all, 74, 77, that's where she's at. Now we're gonna work. Now we're closer because we closed at a 76. Now we're closer at the 77 to go to 78 versus when we was down here and closing down here and trucking back up here. Now we're like right back in the mix from 76 to 77. So it's nothing to go from 77 to 78 and then hover at 78 and then go 79, 80 like that. So I love you guys. That's the end of the class. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you protect your profits. Make sure you start understanding what the market is showing, what the market is giving you at all times. Let's go back to that 15 minutes and show you guys some confirmation. Hammer candle, bullish candle. This would be your actual entry if you did not get in down here. This guy would pull down and you just literally open up a long position here and you put your stop loss down there to protect it as it starts pulling up. This is what you do. That's how you trade that. Let's go. Let's go. For me, it's a win-win situation on this trade. It's a win-win situation. It's a win-win situation. So God bless y'all. Y'all make the rest of your day the best of your day. Get your screenshots. Tag me on Instagram. Tag me on Facebook. Tag me on your social media platform. Let everybody know that this is what we do. Yo, TikTok. Let me turn my screen around. TikTok. Not only do we do this on a daily basis, but we do this for a lifestyle. I do this for a public trading company. We're the #1 trading organization in the globe, hands down. Have crazy winning percentages, crazy signals. We have artificial intelligence, can trade your crypto, position trade your crypto, not day trade your crypto. We're not interested in day trading crypto. We're interested in positioning ourselves in crypto and allowing crypto to take off. Understand that. That's what we do over here. Not only that, we have 50 plus live classes a week, which is what you see me do right here. I do this, we do this live. We have other 15 to 20 other educators that teach us futures, stocks, cryptos, binary. We have probably one of the coldest binary traders in the game. If you just like that quick in and out money, like that dope money, you like taking 1 minute puts, 2 minute calls. If you like that style of trading, we got one of the coldest guys named Easy Money. He don't get enough credit, but I always like to give him credit because he gets those little 15-minute zones and he finds those channels and he boom, 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 boom. He goes 16 and 2 sometimes in a channel. I'm telling y'all, these are facts. Not only that, we have several different programs for if you're brand new, you really have no clue what I'm talking about. We have a great program for you. If you're intermediate, you're already trading, you're just not consistent, you're not disciplined, you just keep losing what you're winning, we got a great program for you. If you're trading and you're successful, you're just tired of literally doing it by yourself because when you have your bad days, you feel like there's no support there. And on your good days, there's no resistance there, so there's no one to enjoy either or. We have a place for you as well. We're a full-fledged financial community that is helping people have a better relationship with money on a daily basis. And that is it. You join the community, it is effort-based. You don't put effort in, your ass ain't gonna get results. You start putting effort in, it is the financial markets. Of course you're gonna get results. Y'all tap that screen over here, TikTok. Y'all tap that screen over here. We're still in that trade. Trade is still moving, and we're in a solid position. Stop losses in profit. All the trade needs to do is just literally take off. I'm gonna get ready to start working out and just even stop looking at it. So I don't even have to look at it no more because at the end of the day, I'm not gonna lose. It's a win-win situation. So if she flies, she flies. She dies, she dies. But DM me if you're interested in joining our community or just getting more information. Shoot me a DM on TikTok. or on Instagram, say, yo, I was just on your live, I really would like some more information, or how to get started. I'm a brand new, or I've already been trading, give me a little history on you. I will give you my phone number. Don't let these scammers fool you. My number ends in 4243, starts with a 702. I live in Las Vegas. So you will get a 702 number with 4243, the last 4 digits. I will give you that number, you would text me, we will plan a phone call, or we would immediately jump on the call. I will tell you how to join, tell you what we got going on, sign you up, open up your broker, open up your demo account on Liquid so you can learn how to use it, set your trading view up just like mine so the next time I'm on live, your shit looks like my shit, and we just keep pushing from there. I'm telling you, the minute you start seeing what I'm seeing, you're going to start understanding what I'm talking about. Right now, a lot of you guys are visitors, so therefore your charts look totally different than my charts. So you're like, bro, what the fuck? What the hell? What is that? But when your charts look like mine and you do 2-3 classes with me, come on now. Come on now. I love you guys. Y'all make the rest of your day the best of your day. Make the rest of your day the best of your day, beautiful people. Make the rest of your day the best of your day. This is TikTok. TikTok was on one today. TikTok was on one today. We made money on TikTok today, y'all. We made money on TikTok today. Let's go. Let's go. We got new followers. Let's go. Let's go. All right, guys. I'm out. I'm out, YouTube. I'm out. Deuces, beautiful people.